Forming 4-digit numbers. Observe the following blocks. Egg A, 1000 plus 2 hundreds plus 110 plus 7 ones equals 1217. It is read as 1217. B, 2000s plus 300s plus 5 tens plus 6 ones equals 2356. It is read as 2356. C, 5000s plus 200s plus 5 tens plus 1 equals 5251. It is read as 5251. Different ways to write a 4-digit number. A 4-digit number can be written in the following 3 ways. 4000s, 500s, 3 tens, 7 ones. We put a comma to separate the thousands digit from the hundreds digit. For example, 7257. It can be written as 4537, standard form. 4000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 7, expanded form. 4537, word form. 4-digit numbers on the abacus. We can put a maximum of 9 beads in a spike. Absence of beads in any spike means that the number in that spike is 0. Some more 4-digit numbers on the abacus are shown below. 3804, 9675, 7316, 4629. Remember, numbers from 100 to 999 are 3-digit numbers. Numbers from 1000 to 9999 are 4-digit numbers. The number 10,000 is a 5-digit number. 9999. 10,000